How to redeem gift card on Fortnite. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If somebody has sent you vbucks card as gift, then in this video I will show you how you can redeem it. The first step is to open up any web browser and head over to fortnite.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, click on this profile icon, and from here you want to select the option of vbucks card. Now, an Epic Games account is required to redeem a V-Bucks card code. Click on the option of Get Started. If prompted, log into your Epic's account. Then, over here, you will have to enter the code from the back of your V-Bucks card. If you cannot find it, the code you need is located at the back of the card under a scratch of security covering. Go ahead and enter the code as it is. Then, click on the next option. Next, you want to choose the device you play Fortnite on. On the drop-down menu, you have options such as PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, PC, mobile. You want to select whichever device is preferred. Once you select it, click on the next option. Now, review the details and click on the confirm option if Epic account, device, and new balance are all correct. Now open Fortnite on your preferred device to view and spend your V-Bucks. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.